Okay, this is Grady. He is almost 23 months, and he's got on his pajamas and his boots. Can you walk towards the computer? Can you squat down so you can see yourself? Okay, squat down. Can you sit down? Scoot down. Do you see yourself in there? Here, look. Is that Grady? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you count for us?
I know those kicker, she goes, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Good boy! Can you do German?
8, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,
9.
9, 10.
Yay! Good boy. Can you do English? 1.
1, 2, 10.
Okay, can we do our ABCs? Ready? A.
A, B, A,
B.
E,
C. C.
C,
D.
D,
E.
F,
F. G.
D,
H.
H,
I.
J,
J. K.
K,
L.
L,
M.
M,
N.
N,
O.
O,
P.
P,
Q.
Q,
R.
O,
S.
S,
T.
T,
U.
U,
V.
E,
W.
E, W,
X. X.
X,
Y.
Y,
Z.
E,
Good boy! Yay! Can you count in Japanese with Daddy?
Ichi, Iki, Ni, San, Go, Woku, Shiki, Haki, Kill, No.
Okay, so that was the first time he's ever done that by himself. That was awesome, honey. Yay!
You're so smart.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay, so this is April 25th. Is that right?
Yeah.
2011. Bye-bye.